Hello and welcome back. In this video, I will be explaining every tool in the Tools panel and how to use them in the timeline. As you can see, that there is no sequence in the timeline. You can just right click and click New Sequence from Clip so that the sequence match every single aspect of the clip. The first tool is the Selection tool with the shortcut V, which is this tool. It is used to drag the videos up, down, or away. The next tool is the Common tool, which is shortcut C, which is the Razor tool. It is used to cut video clips. For example, you want to cut off this clip here until here, and press V, Selection tool, click and press delete. And if you want to move your video back, you don't need to drag it back. You can just click and delete. This is called ripple delete, or you can right click and ripple delete. The next tool is the Track Select tool with the shortcut A. It is used to select all the clips in front of the arrow, and you can drag all of them at once. You can also select certain clips that you want by just selecting like this and drag them. The next tool is the Ripple Edit tool with the shortcut B. It is used to delete the frames in front of the video and performing a ripple delete at the same time. So for example, you want to delete this part of the video until here, and it will ripple delete on its own, like that, without changing the adjacent clips. The next tool is the Rolling Edit tool with the shortcut N. It adjusts the clips by reducing the length of one clip and increasing the length of the other clip. It is the same like pressing the Cut tool, cut off this area and delete this area and dragging it back. The next tool is the Rate Stretch tool. It reduces the length of the clip but increases the speed of the clip, and no contents is deleted. Every single frame will still remain in the clip. For example, this clip is in 100% speed.
Shit.
And if I use the Rate Stretch tool, it will increase the speed according to the time of the clip. As you can see, it's faster. It's faster. The next tool is the Sleep tool, which is used to change the in frame and out frames of the video without changing the length of the clip. For example, there's other frames in front of this clip, but you don't want to extend the clip just to find it. You can just use the Sleep tool and drag it to the front. The left frame is the starting frame and the right frame is the end frame of the video. The next tool is the Slide tool, which is similar to like a double rolling edit tool with the shortcut U. Example, this clip in the middle here, you can use the Slide tool to drag it by changing the length of the adjacent clips. And the length of the middle clip will remain unchanged. The next tool is the Pen tool with the shortcut P, used to edit the keyframes. For example, you want to create a keyframe here and another keyframe here to lower the volume, and another keyframe here to increase the volume.
Oh, too bad.
Yes, and that's it. And next tool is the Hand tool with the shortcut H. It is used to move around the timeline without moving any of the clips or affecting any of the audio. It drags and does not move anything. It's for you to view. Another way is by dragging this bar. It's much faster. And the next tool is the Zoom tool with shortcut Z. It is used to zoom in the clip, increase the length so that you can edit smaller parts of the clip, and you can see more detail as well. Another way to zoom is by dragging this closer, and it will move frame by frame by pressing the left and right buttons on your keyboard. You can zoom out by just dragging it longer. And these eyes are the outputs of the video. If you don't want video 1 to appear on the output, you can just click this and everything is blank. So the only output is video 3 over here. And there's two ways to mute an audio. The first way is by clicking this, and there will be no audio in the clip. No audio. Another way is to unlink the clip and click on this clip and delete so that there's no audio. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.